What's up, y'all? This Slick Rick once again coming back with a banger. What up, what up, what up? It's Slick Rick in this bitch coming at you with another muck banger. Yeah. I had the week from hell, okay? At work. We didn't even want to discuss it because it was so horrible. But I deserve this mukbang. I got some lobster tails, some corn, and some eggs. And I'm about to be dipping it in my jerk sauce and my FYE sauce. Y'all know how I went last time. That jerk kind of took over. That FYE, that's bomb too. So y'all, but I can't even eat the corn with the FYE sauce, cause the jerk with the corn so damn good. My baby in the kitchen on the ones and twos. If y'all haven't hit up the website,
well, that meatloaf sound good.
For the sauce, I want to taste that too. She making meatloaf for tomorrow. For tomorrow, yeah. I want to taste that too.
Hennessy meatloaf.
Hennessy meatloaf. Told her she should have jerked the meatloaf. Y'all, if y'all haven't hit up the website for the sauce, we about to make some changes. So be on the lookout. About to get y'all some bundles.
And free shipping.
Free shipping. Yeah, this corn ain't that extra sweet corn.
No, man, that's why I was looking for that.
Man, usually we get the best.
It
would be extra sweet.
In whatever they call it.
Y'all, this shit's so goddamn hot. Oh, I can't be cussing like that. Shout out to Mo Mafia. Got my drip. Gang. Y'all haven't went and subscribed, go subscribe. Check out family. Yeah, I gotta get it back in. I'm telling y'all, these sauces go with anything. Anything. One of my supporters said she loved to jerk with the eggs. I said, I love to jerk with the eggs and the corn too. Oh, baby, you should try it. It's good. Y'all, she don't eat nothing. She just cooked. She don't eat nothing. Happy Pride Month. Y'all see I'm representing. Got on my pride hat. Because it's our month. And it's my birthday month. Y'all, this is gonna be a little light mukbang because I gotta go get my baby from work. She got her real first job. Because she got her real, I'm talking about my 17-year-old. She had got her real first job right before the pandemic. Like literally, like 3 days, maybe a week before. Maybe a week before. At a movie theater. And then the pandemic came, shut it down. So they gave everybody their little walking papers. But she could come back.
Papers. But yeah.
You know, layoff papers. She could have went back, but they weren't paying her as much as she getting paid at her new job. So, and my baby was happy. She had her first little check was
$517.98.
Okay, she knew how much her check was. I said, let me hold something. She wasn't down for that. Oh, she would have let me.
When am I gonna get it back? Because I was trying to buy.
And y'all should hear her planning out her money. Like she getting thousands of dollars. And I'm gonna buy this. And I'm gonna buy that. I said, baby, $500 don't stretch long. She's seeing though. She been doing good though. A little money. Don't waste no food. I don't know why my nose always starts to run. It ain't even that hot. It's got a little spice, little spice, but not like this. I need something. You got another bowl or something?
Yeah, pretty well. No, y'all come eat.
Oh. I need my napkin.
And a napkin.
Well, I'll put it back in here. It's okay.
You want this bowl?
Yep. Thank you, ma'am. Hey, I thought them shrimp was for me too.
Ah, you didn't say you wanted them.
And I don't even really be eating shrimp like that.
Yeah.
Anyway. Y'all. I don't know how y'all do y'all garlic. But the garlic be so good in the butter. I'm trying to pick it out. I don't want to eat it. Oh, son of a bitch. Damn. I got it all over me. All over me, y'all. All in my hair. And every damn thing. Concentrate. Get all my meat out there. A lot of meat up in there. Dip this. Look at here. Oh, shit. On the table, it'll be alright. I'll wipe it up. That good old FYE sauce, y'all. FYE hot. I should have got me about 4 lobster tails instead of these 2. Oh, y'all, so hot. And it been sitting for a couple of days too. Hey, shout out to everybody who bought a Father's Day bundle for their fathers, for themselves. Thank you for the support. I love y'all. I need to do a giveaway soon. I did one for, I think, Mother's Day. And I ain't been doing shit all day today. I should have did one today. Y'all, do it get to y'all? Do y'all be trying to get that little piece, oh, excuse me, piece of the tail up out of there? That's all meat. That's all money. That's all meat. That's all money. Shit, look at all that meat up in there. I want all my damn meat up out of here. I'm gonna let that sit in there like that. While I get this up out of there. And my daughter, she don't like lobster. She said it's too tough. I love lobster. Baby, remind me next time to buy like 4 lobster tails. Especially if they this little. Did I eat them ones in the refrigerator? Oh, they was little. Yeah, if they this little. I'm eating some of tomorrow's dinner. Because guess what? I'm still hungry. My baby probably gonna be, that's sad. I gotta taste test the meatloaf to make sure it's all right for them tomorrow. These 2 little lobster tails are not even bad. They're so good. Mm. 10 lobster tail challenge in 10 minutes coming soon. I can do these. I can do these.
It's hot. Pretty good.
It was too hot. I couldn't go slow.
And I still got a little salt
Peanut butter in there?
left over.
That's I'll finish it and just do some peanut butter.
Yeah.
What you only got one more bite? Okay.
Hey.
Oh, that's shrimp.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Their mouth is on fire. They're eating 3 times noodles.
I'm just trying to do my bag.
I thought she was done. Because we gotta go. Oh, but FYI, if your mouth is ever burning on fire, the water isn't gonna help, the milk isn't gonna help, none of that's gonna help, the ice cream isn't gonna help. You have to do peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Jelly? Turn it on, Green.
Both of these sauces go hard with seafood and corn. I forgot my what you call it? My cucumbers. And y'all see all that stuff? I do want her to put my sauce up. Cause why? That's money. All right, y'all. So I gotta go get my baby. Just want to come and do this little light mukbang. Y'all know what to do. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you will know when I'm dropping new videos. I'm Slick Rick, and I'm out.
Yeah. And see you next. Only crack the button.
Press the button.
Say a day in the life. 2 butt.
Yeah. Thanks for watching me. Bye. This is goody. I can't. The pizza can't wiggle your face.
You want some salad?
Yeah.